Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This is the Toyota Innova 2008. So this is the diesel motor right here. So if you're interested in buying this car in Bangalore, India, Karnataka, you can come here to Utrust Cars and you can get this car, which is in excellent condition right now. So up front it gets a really nice chrome grille right here with the Toyota logo. This says it's Innova's standard headlamp. It gets a bulb indicator and a really cool looking headlamp for that time. It gets a fog lamp right here, and the alloy wheels look really good. I mean, this is of course a modified one. This is not stock. It says D4D right there. This is the indicator of the car. It does not get mirror mounted indicators, although this is a chrome finished mirror. It gets chrome finished door handles, and you can get this car in Bangalore for 6.5 lakhs, which is an amazing deal. Come here to Utrust Cars to claim this deal now. The link is in the description. So it says Innova right here. These tail lamps look really good. This is a 2008 model. So the another model gets a more modern design. It says Toyota right there. This is the 2.5 liter diesel motor right here. So it gets a chrome line right here. It gets a rear wiper and a defogger. So you can open the boot by doing this. The boot space is excellent even with all three rows up. You get lots of space, and it is Toyota right there. The seats are very comfortable, which I'll be coming to in a bit. This is not electromagnetic or hydraulic. It gets an exhaust right here, no fake stuff over here. You get a rear spoiler right here, and the wiper flow is right there. So let us get into the second row. It gets captain seats, which is a really cool feature, and they're really very comfortable. There's no AC vent for the rear or right here, but they are on top, and you get the controls for the AC vent right there. It gets a wooden sort of finish for the doors, and it gets all 4 power windows right here. You get two cup holders right here, which is a nice touch. Moving on to the front, you do not get any steering mounted audio controls or anything of that sort. But yes, this is a very value for money package, as it even gets internally adjustable outside rear view mirrors. The buttons are right here. This car gets airbags, which makes it the top variant. It gets the analog speedometer, but yes, very modern for its time. Gets a Pioneer sound system right here with AC controls, and this is the 5-speed manual gearbox. It has a digital clock right here, and there is no mirror here, but there's a mirror on that side. You get a sunglass holder over here, and you get 2 lights right here. So getting into the third row of the Toyota Innova is quite an easy job right here. You have to just squeeze in through there, and the rear legroom is also decent, and it's actually really good. You get rear AC vents too, which is quite good, and you get a light right there. Do you get the controllers? No, I think this is controlled by right here. You get scooped out seat backs, and of course power windows for all 4, with the drivers being one touch down, which is a good feature to have. Yes, so the seats are quite comfortable, and you can see right there I have some amazing leg room and knee room right here. It's quite a spacious car, and then you can go into the third row from here. Of course, front seats also are very comfortable, but none of the seats are electronically adjustable, because this is an old car. But it gets electronically adjustable mirrors, which is a really cool touch.